Ever wondered what the difference is between tomato paste, sauce, crushed tomatoes, and puree? Today, I'll break it down for you so you'll never be stuck mid-recipe. First up, tomato paste. This is the most concentrated form, thick, rich, and packed with flavor. It's perfect for adding depth to soups, stews, and sauces. Usually you saute it with oil and aromatics at the start of cooking to really bring out its flavor. Next, tomato sauce. It's thinner, smooth, and often seasoned. Think of it as a ready-use base for pasta dishes, pizza, and casseroles. It gives you both flavor and liquid. Then you have crushed tomatoes. These are chunky and packed with juice. Great for rustic sauces, soups, and slow-cooked dishes where you want texture. Finally, tomato puree. It's smooth and thicker than sauce, but not as concentrated as paste. Perfect for soups, curries, and blended sauces. So here's the quick rule. Paste equals intense flavor. Sauce equals ready base. Crushed equals chunky texture. And puree equals smooth and medium thick. And there you have it. Understanding these tomato products will make you a more confident cook. Have fun cooking.